Hi, guys. This is another session in the series of Stay at Home, Be a Hero. We will try to help you go through this coronavirus lockdown so that you can break the chain and make sure that we all come out safe during this period of time. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. You can leave your comments, feedback regarding this video and any other video on our channel, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you would like, please do subscribe to our courses as well. The link is available in the description. Let's get on with it. Hi, this is a question which is on scatter plot, and there is a line graph also along with it. It's a calculation based question. Given the amount of data and the type of questions, I would suggest pause this video, try to solve this question on your own. The PDF link is available in the description of this video. Once you have tried this, continue with the rest of the session. So let's see what this says. The data seems pretty scary. How difficult the question is, let's see. In Goa, there are 12 tehsils: Bardez, Bicholi, Kankon, Dharbandora, Marmagaon, Perne, Ponda, Kepe, Salsett, Sange, Satari, and Tiswadi. Right. So if you are interested in Goa as such, if you have any idea, so Kalangut, Baga, etc. are in the Bardez tehsil. And your Goa Institute of Management is basically in the Sattari taluka. Your Panjim is in the Tiswadi tehsil, and your Margao, Kolva, etc. are in your Salsett areas. Okay, so if you're going down south, Palolem, etc. are in the Kankona sort of tehsil nearby that. Okay, so that's like a crash course in Goa's geography. Let's continue. The following scatter plot provides the total number of people who have installed one of the two food delivery apps, Tomato and Piggy, in each of the 12 tehsils. So we have two apps. So if I were to look at this data, Dharbandora has 22,000 Piggy downloads and 5,000 Tomato downloads. Okay. Similarly, Kepe has 9,000 each, 9,000 of Tomato and 9,000 of Tomato and 9,000 of Piggy. Right. So similarly, Kankon you can find out and all those things. Okay. Now, what does the line graph tell you? The line graph tells you the number of app installs per capita for each of the tehsils. So if I were to add these two apps, so for example, let's calculate for Dharbandora. Dharbandora, it's 22 plus 5, 27. That will be the total number of app downloads, 27,000. Divided by the population of Dharbandora, that will be your per capita app download. So now people might install both the apps. Some people may not have installed any of the apps. It's like your per capita, number of vehicles. Some people might have more than one vehicle. Some people have less than one vehicle. Similarly, per capita number of mobile phones. Some people have more than one mobile phone. Some people may not have any mobile phone. But you take an average. So total app installs divided by the number of people. That for Dharbandora is 45%. Right. So I can find the population of Dharbandora. 27,000 divided by 45%. I mean, I will not do this, but just to tell you that this is the case. So this is 3 out of 5 into 100. Right. So Dharbandora will be 60,000 will be the population of Dharbandora. Right. So I can calculate the population of each of the tehsils. Right. Now, before I jump into all those calculations, let's see what I need to look at. Okay. So the question asks which of the tehsil has the second highest population. Right. So we need to rank on the basis of population. So we have to do this calculation. Right. Second is what is the combined population of tehsils where the number of Tomato app installed is greater than the number of Piggy app installed. So I need to check where Tomato is, which means this x-axis is more than the y-axis. And then for those calculate the population, which again, if you work the first question neatly, the second question can be done pretty easily. Question number 3, in each tehsil, if each person can install at most one of the two apps. Okay. Now this has some amount of set theory involved, right? And similarly, this also has some amount of set theory involved. So first two questions can be solved pretty quickly, but the remaining two will take some extra work. So at least let us write down the first 2 points nicely. So I've transferred all the data into a table, right? This will take you about minute and a half. I mean, I don't want to show how paint is drying. So, okay. So now if I were to follow the same process as we did to find the Dharbandora population, right? So I need to find out the total number of installs. Then from that I will take the population, right? And then I have to find the rank, right? I have to find the rank of the place. Okay, so total is 40 here. Population is 32% is your installation. So 40 divided by 32 into 100. So 40 by 32 is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 into this will be 125,000. So 125,000 is your population. Bicholi, this is 45. 45 divided by 60, that's 3 by 4, so 75,000. Okay, 19 plus 13 is 32. 32 divided by 40, 80%, so 80,000. This is 27. 27 divided by 45, 3 by 5, so 60. 28. 28 by 35 is 4 by 5, so 80. Okay. Perne, this is 21. 21 by 42 is 50. Fonda, this is 32 divided by 32, 100. Okay, this is 18. 18 divided by 24, 75. 42. 42 divided by, sorry, 40. 40 divided by 32 is 5 by 4, so 125. Sangye, this is 24. 24 by 30, 4 by 5, so 80. This is 39. 39 by 60 is 13 by 20, so 65%. And this is 56. 56 by 35 is 8 by 5, so 160,000. Okay, now I have to rank these. Okay, so Tiswadi will be first, but I need the second one. Now there's an option of Bardes and Salset both also. So let's check if they have the same population. So 125 and 125, both of them have the second highest, right? So both of them will be ranked 2. Both of them will be ranked 2, right? And even this, so there'll be no third ranked one. So third one will be, so fourth rank will be Fonda, right? I mean, we can answer option D, but let's just do this for academic purposes. We might find it useful. Fourth, and then you'll have there again 280. So both of them will be fifth. There'll be no sixth position, right? In fact, there are 380s. So there'll be no sixth position as such. It's no sixth and seventh positions, right? So then you have, this will be eighth. There are 2 people with at 8th position. So there'll be no ninth. Okay. 10th would be 65. 11th would be here. And 12th will be this. So I've ranked all of them also, right? Option D will be our correct choice. Question number 2. What is the combined population in thousands of the tehsils where the number of Tomato app installs are greater than the number of Piggy app installs? So I need to look at only the places where Tomato is greater than Piggy. So the first column is more than the second column, and only those populations I need to take. So Bardes, no. Bicholim, yes. So 75 I need to add. Kankon, no. Dharbandora, no. Murmagaon, also no. I need it to be greater, right? Not equal. Perne, yes. Fonda, yes. Kepe, no. Equal. Salset, yes. Sangye, yes. Satari, no. Tiswadi, no. So I need to add these. So 125 plus 75 is 200. 200 plus 100, 300. 350, 430. Right? So if you write it down, pretty much done. Question number 3 says, if in each tehsil, each person can install at most one of the 2 apps, then how many tehsils will have the same rank when arranged in descending order in terms of the number of people in the tehsil without any of the two apps as compared to their rank when arranged in descending order in terms of the number of people in the tehsil? Okay. Okay. So what it says is that each person can install at most one of the two apps. So you'll have only two types of people. You'll actually have three types of people, but two numbers of apps. So there'll be some people who have no apps. There'll be some people who will have only tomato. There'll be some people who will have only piggy, right? Because if you were to look at a Venn diagram sort of thing, there is nobody who has both the apps. So your two sets are disjoint sets. So you have tomato, you have piggy, right? And then there is a third category, which is none, right? So the category of none will basically be the total population minus piggy minus tomato, right? So which we have already done. So we know number of people with no apps, right? So I'll have to find out the number of people with no apps, then rank that population and then check how many people's rank remain unchanged. So the extra work which I did in the first one just for fun, right, will now come in handy. Anyways, you either do it there or here. It's going to be one and the same. So let's do it. So this is 85. This will be 75 minus 45 is 30. This is 48. This will be 33. This will be 52. 29. This will be 68. This is 57. 85. 56. This is 26 and 104. Now I need to rank this. So first, again, there are two second places, 85 and 85. Third after 85 would be 68. No, there's no third position. This person will be fourth, right? Fifth will be after 68. This will be fifth. Sixth will be 56. Seventh will be 52. Eighth will be after 52. There'll be 48. Ninth will be after 48. You'll have a 33. 10th will be this guy. 11th will be here. And 12th will be Satari. Right. So this is roughly the case. All right, so let's quickly check what is the scenario. So you have this has the same position. Tiswadi has the same position. Salset has the same position. Bardes has the same position, and Fonda has the same position. Right. So there are 4 tehsils which have the same position. Okay, now you will ask me, what about these 3? There are 3 5th rank places. Now 5th, 6th, 7th, they are all the same, but this guy is ranked 7th. He's not 5th. See, all 3 of them are 5th, right? Joint 5th. So there are 6 people ahead of him, whereas in this case there are only 4 people ahead of him. So the rank is not the same. Same with this case. Sange, you will have 4 people ahead of him in the population rank, but now there are 5 people ahead of him in the no app download app ranking. So these two are not the same ranks. So we cannot say it can be 5th, 6th, 7th, so all of them are equal. No, that is not going to be the case, because if you interpret how the ranks work, these two ranks cannot be the same. Here there are 4 people ahead of him, here there are 5 people ahead of him. So they are not the same. And the last one, if in each tehsil the number of people installing one or more of these food apps is the minimum possible. Now, when is the population minimum possible in a Venn diagram? When the larger one is a subset of, is a superset of all the other populations. So here, the larger of the two apps will be a superset of the smaller one. So basically, everyone who has a tomato also has a piggy. So the tomato will be inside the piggy population. In Bicholim, everyone with a piggy will also have a tomato. So for Bicholim, tomato will be the superset, piggy will be the subset. So essentially, I need to figure out the larger of the two. Okay, I'm looking at the larger of the two. This will be the number of apps which are downloaded. These are the number of people with apps. Okay, now the question is, how many tehsils have more than 30% of their population, with at least one of the two food apps? Okay, so basically I need the larger number divided by the population. Okay, that's all I need to check to be able to see whether it's, and I need the number to be more than 30%. So this again should not need a calculator because 10% is not very difficult to calculate and 30% is 3 times 10%. Okay, so let's quickly circle what I need to compare it with. 19, 22, I mean any of the two is good enough. Here it's 13, here it's 17. Again, any of the two is good enough. 27, 21, 21. Yes. So I need to compare this with 30% of the population. How to calculate 30%? 10% is 1/10, so 12.5. 12.5 into 3 will be 37.5. That should be lesser than this number, right? So, or this number should be more than 30% of that population. 30% of that, the 30% value which we calculated. Okay, so 10% is 12.5, 30% is 37.5. Higher? No. Out. 10%, 7.5, 30%, 22.5. Higher? Yes. 10%, 8, 30%, 24. Is 19 more than 24? No. 10%, 6, 30%, 18. Is 22 more than 18? Yes. 10%, 8, 30%, 24. Is 14 more than 24? No. 10%, 5, 30%, 15. Is 13 more than 15? No. 10%, 10, 30%, 30. Is 17 more than 30? No. 10%, 7.5, 30%, 22.5. Is 9 more than 22.5? No. 10%, 12.5, 30%, 37.5. Is 27 more than 37.5? No. Similarly, 8 3s are 24. No. 6.5 into 3 will be 19.5. 21 is more than 19.5. So yes. And finally, 160. 10% is 16. 30% will be 48. Is 35 more than 48? No. So you have more than 30% will be 1, 2, and 3. Three of the tehsils satisfy this criteria. It's a very nastily painful question. It's not a difficult question, but each question gives you an additional thing to work with. The first and second question should definitely be tried because if you do the first one, the second one automatically comes into play. But the third and fourth requires you a little bit of extra calculation. I mean, in an exam sort of a scenario, the first thing would be to make sure that you draw the table very patiently. Once you draw the table, life becomes much more easier. It's not a difficult question because of the concept involved. It is difficult because of the time it takes. It's a lengthy question rather than a difficult question. In an exam situation, between 10 to 12 minutes to solve. That completes this particular session on Break the Chain. If you liked it, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment on how you felt this video was. If you want, and if you have any suggestions on any other videos which we need to do during this period, please do let us know. If you would like to, do look at our courses. The link is available in the description. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and stay safe.